Welcome neighbors, Miracle Farm 1927 Homestead. And today's definitely a weird one. So this is our work truck. We haul our toolbox on, haul our tractors with. It's a Chevy 2500 with a 6.0 liter. And today we're doing an exhaust on it. So we got a Flowmaster FX. It's kind of what it is. There it is. The actual muffler itself. It's a 3-inch. There's the number for the 3-inch one. I don't usually like Flowmasters because I've been used to the old Flowmaster 40s and Super 10s and stuff like that. And I don't really like them. All my my truck has cherry bombs on it, true dual cherry bombs. But I want to try something different on this truck, so I found that on Summit Racing. And the reason we're doing exhaust, it still has the big old 50-gallon barrel of a muffler on it. But when you're going down the road, you hear it's got stuff in it. Something's broken inside the muffler. It's rust, and I think one of the baffles or something, because it just builds a ton of like condensation inside that muffler. So anyway, we got the Sawzall, and we're going to saw him off, and then we're going to check what we need. We're not going to weld it. We're just thinking about welding it, but I think we're just going to run exhaust clamps. So anyway, we'll get that big boy out from under there and see what we need. Exhaust mostly cut through. It's kind of not working with us. I'm getting these hangers, little rubber hangers, popping them off. Daddy's trying to get that one over the muffler. That's the worst one, right over the muffler. And we're going to have to figure out how to do something with that to make it hang there again. Anyway, once he gets that off, we'll have this down. We'll see if we can pull it out the front, and then I'll get back to you. Pulling this big boy out of here now. Took a while to get loose. It'll come under the step. Massive muffler. It's full of garbage. Yeah. Well, that's out of the way. Now we got to figure out what we're going to do to get our Flowmaster back under there. Alright, so we got the back pipe out and the muffler out. Dad's going to get in there and crank it now. See what it sounds like straight pipe. Sounds really mean. Sounds pretty mean. Sounds pretty good as it is. Well, I think we're going to put the muffler on it. You want to hear it? So we had to make a trip to town because we need a pipe. I don't know if you can see it. There's a pipe under there There it is. Right there. That we had to go to take up the extra space of the muffler, and then it had to go, had to be a 3-inch pipe to a 3.5-inch pipe for adapting. So we went to a muffler shop and got that 3-inch pipe bumped out to 3.5, and then we went and got some exhaust clamps. So we're about ready. He's working on where it was kind of tattered where we cut it off. He's working, trying to get that smoothed out, and after that we'll put the pipe on there, and we'll have to see how long it needs to be, because it's probably going to be cut. And then this is going to be a problem. We're going to have to put this exhaust hanger on, so we're not sure how we're going to do that, if we're just going to clamp it to the new muffler or what we're going to do, but we'll figure it out. But anyway, get that done and should be done. So anyway, I'll update you here. Alright, we got the pipe back on. He's under there clamping her down right now. Get some different clamps, different sizes for it, because it goes, the outside of this pipe is 3.5, like a pipe that would go over that, and then the muffler needed a 3. Where do you need it? There you go. So now he's putting the muffler clamp on. So after we get the clamps on, and hopefully it'll be more stable when we get the clamps on, it won't rotate as much, and then we can just try to find something to rig this hanger up. We might just run something else instead of cutting that off. We might just run something else to it, I don't know. Anyway, we'll figure that out when we come to it. Hopefully it stables up a little bit just to get it clamped down. I don't know if it's, I think it's pretty much where it was. It just looks different where we've been touching it. It's kind of oily. So anyway, get this tightened up. We'll probably crank him up and see how he sounds. So there's the exhaust. Let me take a video. There it is, mounted up in there. That's what we've done. Alright, Daddy's going to crank him up, see how he sounds. Oh yeah. Sounds mean when you crank him up. Rev him up some. Oh yeah. Sounds good. Taking off. Car gets by. Sounds good. Well, we'll see y'all later.